Hello and welcome to this new section on creative excellence in visual generation. In this course, AI for marketing and advertising excellence, and the first lecture of that. So, in this particular section, we will give you some good idea of how can you use AI for excellence in creative excellence and visual generation. And in this particular lecture, we will talk about how to generate or enhance images, videos, and designs to align with the brand aesthetics. So, creative excellence in visual generation, in this area, AI can generate, or enhance images, videos, and designs to align with the brand aesthetics. It can suggest visuals that resonate with target audience, a very important thing, and analyze which creatives are performing best across campaigns. And a good example of this will be Canva's AI tool for generating visuals and Adobe's Firefly for creating generation. So let's take a look at how can AI help in generating or enhancing visual images, videos, and designs to align with the brand aesthetics. So what do you think? So, using AI to generate enhanced images, videos, and designs aligned with your brand aesthetics can save creative time, boost visual consistency, and enable real-time personalization across campaigns. Now, how to do that? Let's take a look at what are the tools, techniques, and real-life examples we have for you. Let's take a look at them as we go forward. First let's talk about why use AI for visual branding. Why? Because AI can help you do a couple of things, few things. It can help you generate brand aligned content faster, like images, videos, and graphics. So it does faster work. Second, it can maintain visual consistency across platforms and channels, right? Third, it can adapt content in different audiences and formats, like vertical for Reels, square for Instagram, and it can personalize visuals based on the user behavior or segments. So that makes a good case for using AI for visual branding, doesn't it? Right. So let's take a look at the key capabilities of AI for creative enhancement. So what do you think are the AI's key capabilities for creative enhancement? Let's take a look at them. It can do text to image, and there it generates custom images from prompts aligned with your brand style. It can do style transfers by applying your brand's visual identity to other assets like color, typography, and texture. It can do image editing and enhancements. It can, auto remove backgrounds, upscale resolution, change lighting or faces. It can do video generations. It can convert scripts into animations and explainer videos. And it can give you brand aware templates that dynamically adjust colors, fonts, and logos using AI to match brand guidelines. And it can also help you do A/B visual testing, auto generate and test multiple versions of creatives to see what performs best. So there are a lot of things going in AI for creative enhancements, right? So let's take a look at the first step. The first step is to define your brand aesthetics, and that is part of the step-by-step process. And there you, before using AI, what you need to do is to clarify your brand's, let's say, main things like color palette, what colors are reflective of your brand, what fonts are your right fonts for your brand, so that there is a consistency across the content, the platforms, etc. Also, the mood. Is it a playful, minimalist, elegant, or a professional one like we have? Or what are the design elements like icon styles, illustrations, imagery, etc.? And then you need to store it in a brand style guide or use tools like Fontify, Canvas Brand Kit, or Adobe's Creative Cloud libraries to use it later on by the AI. So that's what you need to do in defining your brand aesthetics. So the second step is to generate images aligned with your brand, right? And what are the tools that you can use and can they do for you? So the first one that comes to mind is like Midjourney, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly. That is useful for high quality brand specific image generation. High quality brand specific image generations, you can use these tools. Second tool is Runway ML. That is for video enhancements and visual storytelling. And then also Canva AI, Photo, Vista, Create, that can do easy drag and drop designs with brand consistency. You can also look at Luca and Logo AI that can do AI generated brand logos and visual identities. Now, let's take a look at an example of a prompt that you would need to give to do an image, text to image generation. You could send out to any of these programs a text image which says, please give me a modern minimalistic workspace with teal and coral color tones, clean layout, soft lighting in line with the premium wellness brand. And you would be surprised to find the kind of output you can get. You can fine tune these things with style words like futuristic, vintage, bold, composition. Do you want a flat lay, isometric, portrait, or brand colors? The hex codes, right? So using these things, you can generate image aligned to your brand and requirement. Right. The third thing that you can do is to enhance existing images or videos. And there you know what are the capabilities of AI. Let's understand that. It can do, upscale and resolution fix. Uh, Example, Topaz Gigapixel AI, Adobe Super Resolution. These are the programs that can help you upscale and do a resolution fix. They can also do background removal and object replacement. And the tools and the programs that are available for that are remove.bg, Magic Eraser in Canva, Photoshop Generative Fill. Then there is you can do face retouch and lighting corrections using Remini and Lensa, and you can do AI subtitles and video cuts using Descript, Pictree, and ViceCut. Now, all these you can use for Instagram Reel, testimonial videos, product showcases, and event promos. So, like this, you can enhance existing images or videos. Then you can do matching the design or to the brand guidelines, and this happens automatically. And the tools for that are like Canva Brand Kit, which can upload your brand logo, fonts, and color palettes. And Canva's AI then applies them across presentations, ads, social media posts, and brochures. Let's take a look at some tool examples. In the second tool example is the Adobe Express with Firefly that can generate editable designs, posters, banners, videos with AI that knows your brand assets. So like this, you can match designs to your brand guidelines through AI automatically. Then you test and optimize visuals with AI. You can use AI to generate 5 versions of the same creative with different backgrounds, models, and CTAs, right? So all the three things combination of that you can do CTAs, models, and backgrounds, and then you can use multivariate tests on various aspects of the design like thumbnail images, ad visuals, hero banners, etc. And the tools that you can use are like addcreative.ai, smartly.io, then Creatopy, Meta's Advantage plus Creative. Now here you will see that AI can help you find which color combination or layouts get better engagement at CTN using A/B testing, right? So you can test and optimize visuals with AI, right? Then let's look at, in addition to all this, you can do AI video generation in brand style. Isn't it wonderful? So you need to use, you have a couple of options. You can use synthesis, HeyGen, Pictree, and Runaway Generation 2. And there you can convert blog post into blog post or scripts into talking heads or animated videos. You can add voiceovers to your brand tone like accent, speed, and emotion. And you can automate visuals to your story. And what are these great for? These are great for explainer videos, product walkthroughs, social ads, or onboarding content. So that's what you can do with AI in addition to all that in the area of video generation. So let's take a look at some real world brand examples. So Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses or used Delhi and GPT in the Create Real Magic campaign to generate UGC in Coke's visual style. They actually did that. Nike uses Runway and Gantz to create futuristic product drops and mood visuals. And Sephora enhances product shots and retarget ads with AI generated variants based on customer preferences. So these are some real life examples of brands using AI to generate and enhance images, videos, and designs aligned to the brand aesthetics. So let's summarize how can we use AI to generate and enhance these things. So to generate branded images, you can use Delhi, Midjourney, and Firefly. Then to apply style to other assets, StyleGAN, Runway, Canva brand cut kit, other ones to use. And to enhance image quality, you can use Topaz, Photoshop, AI, Remini. To convert text to video, you can use Pictree, Runway, and Synthesia. To design social media posts and templates, you can use Canva AI, Adobe Express, and Vista Create. The A/B test visuals can be done. A/B testing of visuals can be done by AdCreative.ai, Smart.io, and CreateOP. And to personalize creative, you can use Percedo, Farsi, and Dynamic. So these are a variety of tools that you can use to generate and enhance images, videos, and designs to align with your brand aesthetics. So what do we do next? So we will take a look at another aspect of creative excellence in visual generation, and we will talk about how can you use AI to suggest the visuals that resonate with target audience. Resonation, resonance is the key thing here, and that is critical for building the brand. And we'll look at how can we use AI for that purpose. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on creative excellence in visual generation. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need.